Do you know what level you're playing at in your real estate investing business? Don't lie. Hey, I'm Mike Delpre, Executive Director of the Arizona Real Estate Investors Association, also co-host of the Azreia Show. This video, I want to ask you, do you know what level you're playing at in your real estate investing business? Think about it. Don't lie. So I want to show you something my mentor taught me. His name's John Azreia. Probably saw him in the hit documentary called The Secret. I had the opportunity to study under him for a year, and I learned so much. Working with John changed my life, and this is just one thing I learned I want to share with you as well. So hopefully it changes your life. What level are you playing the game at is what he would say. So this is a triangle. It's not the Illuminati. Elementary. So when you play at the elementary level in business, what's that like? Think of an elementary kid. You're playing in recess, right? You're running around. You don't have a care in the world. You don't care about nothing but yourself and what's going on at that moment. No responsibilities. High school, right? Getting a little bit more mature. You have some responsibilities. Still a little crazy, partying, whatever it may be, but you're growing up. You're getting ready for college, right? So college, didn't go there personally, but what I can assume is you're preparing for the workforce, the work world, right? So you're finding out what discipline is, you're doing homework, you got grades, you're all on your own now, right? But you're still not all the way there. Next level from college, where do you go after that, especially in the sports world? Pros. John would always say two things. He would say, are you interested or are you committed? If you're interested in this business, you'll treat it like a hobby. If you're committed, you'll treat it like a business and you'll get paid like a business, okay? So that's one thing I want you to take home, and think about how do pros operate, right? Pros have discipline. They practice. They have coaches, mentors. I still have coaches and mentors to this day, being in the business 12 years. You could always grow. Also, they watch recordings, right? They watch their plays. They watch how they perform, and they're not embarrassed to watch themselves and critique themselves and take constructive criticism to become better. Act like a pro. Run your real estate business like a pro. So if you like this video, like the video, leave a comment below, subscribe to our page, check out the Arizona Real Estate Investors Association at azreia.org.